Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 5th week of the 40th, right, Kelly? 40th year of Frederick County Public Schools Academic Tournament. My name is Eric Reichel. I'll be your moderator tonight. I want to start by thanking Beth Strakonsky, your husband Frank, and Kelly Meisner, who put all this together. Some wonderful, marvelous stuff that we're all enjoying so much. And we're starting with 3 teams today in match 1, Catoctin High School, Linganore High School, and Walkersville High School. Catoctin High School, would you please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round?
I'm Catherine Moore.
I'm Natalie Beauchet.
I'm Rafaela Smaldone.
And I'm Joe Hawkins, and I'll be the captain in this round.
All right, need your camera on, Joe?
Yeah, it's loading, I think.
No worries. And you're there. Okay, all right, so Joe, you're the captain, so that means that you get to pick, sir, A, B, or X.
Let's go with A.
It is. You always get to choose, Catoctin, because you're at the beginning. You and Brunswick at the beginning of the alphabet. You guys always get to choose, right? Poor old Urbana and Walkersville never get a choice. Okay, this is round 1 of match 1. All these questions are 1 up for a right answer, no points off for a wrong answer. All right, all set then? Off we go. Question 1. How does atomic radius generally change as you move from left to right across a series on the periodic table?
It gets bigger, right?
I think so.
Yeah. It gets larger. Final answer.
Yeah.
Say it again, Joe.
It increases. Final answer.
Okay, I'm sorry, it's incorrect. The radius generally decreases. So that's incorrect. Question 2. The Bluebird Cafe in Nashville was where this singer-songwriter was first discovered. Name this artist with albums including Folklore and Evermore from last year. 2 albums in 1 year.
Taylor
Swift.
Taylor Swift. Final answer.
That is correct. Question number 3. Part 1 of this famous French novel is entitled Fantine. Part 2 is named for her daughter, Cosette. Name this incredible novel by Victor Hugo.
Les Miserables.
It's Les Miserables. Les Miserables. Final answer.
That's correct. You've all read that book, right? Okay, well, you should. It's amazing. Question 4. Lionel Messi is widely regarded as one of the greatest soccer players of all time. What South American country does he come from? This team's jerseys are white and light blue vertical stripes. Name the country.
Argentina.
Argentina. Final answer.
That is correct. Question number 5. The following were all part of what general economic reform program? The Taylor Grazing Act, the Resettlement Administration, the Soil Conservation Service, and the Civilian Conservation Corps.
The New Deal program? I don't think it sounds like it, but you can go with it.
Yeah. That's the only reform thing I know. The New Deal. Final answer.
That is correct. Good answer and good choice. And question number 6. What capital Greek city hosted the 2004 Olympic Games?
Athens.
Athens. Final answer.
That is correct. And that completes a very, very strong round 1. Well played. One, 2.
Carson and Rafi, you guys are up as well.
There's 3. And there's 4. Okay. Round 2. Math round. 4 questions. 2 of them are math. Reminder on the math questions, you get 30 seconds to answer. At 25 seconds with 5 seconds to go, Ms. Meisner will give you a prompt to make sure you answer within the time period. Okay? Would you please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round?
My name's Ava Mays, and I'll be the captain.
My name is Nick Miller.
My name is Rafaela Smaldone.
Okay, here we go then with the math round, and question 1 is math. This question requires a two-part answer. Solve the system of linear equations for x and y. 3x minus 4y equals 17. 2y plus 2x equals negative 12. Begin time.
Five seconds.
Anyone?
X equals -1, Y equals -5.
Final answer, x equals -1, y equals -5.
Excellent, that is correct. Always delighted when you get a math question right. Question number 2. West Side Story from 1961 is a modernized adaptation of what popular romantic and tragic play by William Shakespeare, published in 1587?
Romeo and Juliet.
Yep.
Final answer, Romeo and Juliet.
That is correct. Question 3, math. Find the zeros of the following polynomial. 6x squared plus 11x minus 2. Begin time.
Five seconds.
Anyone have an answer?
One of them is 0.1666, something like that.
Other one is -2, I think.
Okay. Final answer, -2 and 0.1666.
Kelly, is that the same thing as 1/6? That is correct then? Kelly, is that right? Okay,
Sorry.
good. Excellent.
Yes.
1/6, good. Excellent. So that's correct. Question number 4. Billings is the largest city in this northwestern state, with Missoula, Great Falls, and Bozeman second, third, and fourth biggest. Name this large state with not many big cities.
Montana.
Final answer, Montana.
That is correct. That completes round 2. Well done. One, two, three, four. Okay, we've got our geography aces online here, ready to roll. All right, round 3 is a pre-announced category round. This week, Latin American geography. I've worked hard on my pronunciation. I'll give it my best, okay? And remember, your answers do not have to be pronounced correctly as long as I can tell what you're actually meaning. So, all right, would you please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round?
I'm Catherine.
I'm Joe
Moore.
Hawkins. Sorry, I'm Joe Hawkins, and I'll be the captain in this round.
Everybody else?
I'm Summer Clausen.
I'm Rafaela Smaldone.
All right, we are off then with round 3, Latin American geography. Remember, these are pretty long questions. Make sure you hear the whole thing. Question 1. In this Central American country, the national bird, the quetzal, lends its name to the currency. The country's name means land of many trees, and the land was ruled by various Mayan kingdoms before the Spanish arrived. The CIA overthrew a socialist government in this country in 1954. Name this country that had the longest civil war in Latin American history, which lasted from 1960 to 1996.
Okay, I did not hear a lot of that question, but I think it's Nicaragua because the longest civil war.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go with it.
Yep.
Final answer, Nicaragua.
I'm sorry, it's Guatemala. Guatemala for number 1. Question number 2. This Caribbean city was founded in 1692 as a place for survivors of the earthquakes that destroyed Port Royal. Located on the southeastern coast of the island, it is both the capital and largest city of its country. Landmarks include the Hope Gardens, the largest botanical gardens in the Caribbean, Devon House, and the Coconut Museum. Name this city, famous for its natural harbor, which is protected by the Palisados. a narrow peninsula that has been developed as a tourist resort?
I think it said.
Do you guys remember?
No, go ahead, Joe.
Do you guys remember if he said southeast or southwest?
I don't remember, but I thought he said that the capital has the same name as the country. So isn't that Nicaragua? Because that's the Nicaragua. No, that's not it. What's that?
No. Final answer or options?
I'm sorry, it's Kingston. Kingston. Question number 3. This is the longest river that runs entirely in Brazilian territory and the 4th longest in South America. It used to be known as the Opara and is also known as Vejo Chico today. It originates in the Canastra mountain range and finishes in the Atlantic Ocean. Name this river so important in Brazil that it is called the River of National Integration.
Does anyone have any ideas?
Any chance it's the Amazon? Because I know that's right next to Brazil. Like that whole.
Yeah, I think it's the longest, not the 4th longest.
Yeah.
Time.
No guess?
Final answer, no response.
Sao Francisco River. That completes round 3. One, two, three, 4. All right. Round 4. 7 questions on a variety of topics, 1 up for a right answer, 1 off for a wrong answer. I know you've introduced yourselves before, but please introduce yourselves one more time and tell me who will be the captain in this round.
My name is Ava Mays, and I'll be the captain.
My name is Nick Miller.
I'm Natalie Beauchai.
And I'm Joe Hawkins.
All right, here we go then with round 4. Question 1. This is the highest mountain peak in the northeastern United States at 6,288 feet. And this peak is notorious for its erratic weather. It is located in New Hampshire. Name it.
Does anyone know mountains?
I don't have any ideas.
I have no clue. I only know Seattle Mountains.
Joe?
No.
Okay.
Final answer, no response.
Okay, your geography's killing you guys and gals. All right, Mount Washington was the correct one for that one. Question 2. Rainwater is naturally a weak acid. When this water reacts with limestone on an exposed hillside, it is the beginning stages of soil formation. This type of weathering and erosion is called what?
Has something to do with sediments, right?
I mean,
So
probably.
essentially what the word for the creation of soil is.
Time.
Final answer, sediment depositing.
Worth a shot. No, it's chemical. Chemical is the type of weathering and erosion. Question number 3. What is the oldest college in the United States? It was established in Massachusetts in 1636.
I believe it's Harvard.
Yeah.
Final answer, Harvard.
That is correct. Question 4. This famous actor was born on April 4th, 1965. He is most famous for his role as billionaire Tony Stark. Name him.
Robert Downey Jr.
Final answer, Robert Downey Jr.
That is correct. Question number 5. What does a month that begins on a Sunday always have, whether you're suspicious or not? Let me try that again. Totally butchered that. What does a month that begins on a Sunday always have, whether you're superstitious or not?
Probably Friday the 13th.
Final answer, Friday the 13th.
I don't think suspicious would have helped you get to Friday the 13th. So thank you for being patient with me on that one. Correct. Question 6. On January 4th, 1965, the world lost one of its greats when this poet and Nobel laureate died at the age of 76. He was best known for the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock, The Wasteland. Name him.
Who wrote The Wasteland?
I have no idea.
Joe, who's a
Me
famous
neither.
poet.
Yeah, I
I
got
don't know.
I don't know.
Time.
Final answer, no response.
T.S. Eliot is the answer for that one. And question number 7. The proximity to several large bays gives this northeast U.S. state the Bay State nickname. Name the state.
Is it like?
Okay. Is it Rhode Island?
I mean, it's
Or
probably
Delaware?
like one of the more northern ones, like either Rhode Island or maybe
Delaware?
Massachusetts. I don't think it's.
Oh yeah, probably something along the north.
So what are we going with?
Time.
Go with Rhode Island, I guess.
Final answer, Rhode Island.
I'm sorry, it's Massachusetts. Massachusetts, that completes the math for Kentucky. Linganore next.
Yes, we are ready for Linganore.
All right. One, two, three, and there's four. Okay. Welcome, Linganore High School, to the 5th week and the first match of our 40th season. I am your moderator, Eric Reichel. I'd like to welcome Linganore High School. And would you please, for round one, we've got 6 questions on a variety of topics, 1 up for right answer, 1 no points off for wrong answer. Would you please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round?
I'm Tabitha Moses.
I'm Thomas Scott.
I'm Mabel Heining.
I'm Charlotte Moore, and I will be captain for this round.
All right, Charlotte, would you please pick packet B or packet X?
X.
X it is. All right, here's round one. Question 1. Did the first generation iPhone come out before or after Barack Obama was elected president?
This is before, because I'm pretty sure
Yes.
first iPhone was 2007.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before final answer.
That's correct. And 2007 and 2008 were exactly right. So that was well done. Question number 2. Name the only human in the Winnie the Pooh stories by A.A. Milne.
Christopher Robin.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Christopher Robin, final answer.
That's correct. Question number 3. A 1,000 kilogram car is raised 10 meters by a crane at a junkyard. How much work is done on the car?
Could you repeat the question, please?
I cannot.
Time.
98,000 joules, final
You got
answer.
it. You got it. Sorry, Sharon. I'd love to repeat the question, but I can't because you would put you over the answer. The only time I can repeat is on a math question, and that does use up your time. I know that was kind of a mathy question, but you dealt. So way to deal. Question number 4. This famous racehorse set the record for biggest wins when he won the Belmont Stakes in 1973 by 31 lengths, completing the Triple Crown. Name this horse with a nickname of Big Red, the most famous racehorse in the world.
That's Secretariat, I think.
Sure.
That's the only horse movie I know.
Okay. Secretariat, final answer.
The most famous horse in the world. Hey, that's the one you knew. Exactly. Correct. Question number 5. Which international organization formed after World War I and was headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland?
This is League of Nations. Yeah.
Yeah, League of Nations.
League of Nations, final answer.
That is correct. And here's question 6. In what country would you find the Yangtze River?
China.
Yeah, that's China.
China, final answer.
That's correct. And you rolled all 6. Well done. I see 3 waiting on one more person from Linganore, right?
I believe all 4 are here.
Oh, there they are. Oh, good. Thank you. Okay, very good. All right, sorry about that. Missed you up in the corner there. Round 2 is a math round, 4 questions. Reminder on the 2 math questions, you get 30 seconds. Ms. Meisner will give you a heads up when there's 5 seconds left. 1 up for right answer, 1 off for wrong answer, no matter if you don't say anything. So, would you please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round?
I'm Bennett Von Inken.
I'm Chloe Trevino.
I'm Thomas Scott.
And I'm Leif Colgren. I'll be the captain for this round.
Very good. All right then. Question number 1, math. This question requires a 2-part answer. Solve the system of linear equations for x and y. 2x plus 3y equals 8, and y minus 3x equals 21. Begin time.
I believe that x equals -5 and y equals 6. Do you guys have anything?
Answer, please.
Give it that.
X equals -5, y equals 6.
That is correct. Excellent. Question 2. Who starred as English teacher John Keating in the classic film Dead Poets Society? He first became famous for playing the television alien Mork and also was the voice of the genie in Disney's Aladdin. Name this famous comic and actor.
Robin Williams.
Robin Williams.
Yeah, Robin Williams.
Yeah.
Robin Williams, final answer.
Nice when you get the choral reading going like that. Yes, good. Question number 3, math. Find the zeros of the following polynomial. X to the 4th power plus 5x cubed minus x squared minus 5x. Begin time.
Five seconds remaining.
0, -1, 1, and 5.
Go with that.
0, -1, 1, and 5. Final answer.
That is correct. Must have all the answers and you had them all. Well done. Question number 4. This governor from Ohio won the presidency in one of the most contentious elections of all time. He lost the popular vote to Sam Tilden, but was granted 20 contested electoral college votes to win the election. Name this 19th president.
Does anybody know?
Is that Garfield by any chance?
I don't
know
think
any.
so.
I don't know the 19th.
I have no idea.
Time.
Garfield, final answer.
I'm sorry, it's Rutherford B. Hayes. Hayes is the answer, and that completes round 2.
Linganore, we have one more player.
Chloe, okay.
There we are. Okay. Round 3. Pre-announced category, Latin American geography. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 questions. You give me the answer, 1 up for right answer, 1 up for wrong answer. Would you please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round?
I'm Zach Branch.
I'm Eric Swarty.
I'm Chloe Williams.
I'm Charlotte Moore, and I will be captain for this round.
All right, Charlotte and crew, here we go. Latin American geography. I will do my best on the pronunciation. I looked them all up. Remember, if you get the answers substantively correct, it doesn't have to be pronounced correctly, so I'm not going to be grading you on that. Question number 1. This is the only country in the world where you can see the sun rise on the Pacific and set on the Atlantic. It was the first Latin American country to adopt the U.S. currency as its own. The oldest continually operating railroad is in this country and goes from the capital city to Cologne and back. Name this country with the only capital city with a rainforest within the city limits.
This should be Bogota, right? I mean, not Bogota, Colombia,
Yeah, Colombia.
because it has Atlantic and Pacific.
And
Yeah.
Cologne.
Yeah. Colombia, final answer?
I'm sorry, it's Panama. Panama. Question number 2. This Caribbean city was founded around 1515 in a swampy area near where Batabano is now, but moved to its current spot a few years later. The Museum of the Revolution there has a room of mirrors modeled after Versailles, and every night at 9 p.m., the traditional cannon blast takes place at the fortress La Fortaleza de San Carlos de la Cabana. Name this famous city where people can see a life-size bronze statue of Ernest Hemingway.
Is this Havana, possibly?
I don't know.
I'd go with that, I would say.
Havana, final answer?
Excellent. Yes, somebody got a geography question right. All right. Hemingway helped for me anyway. Question number 3. This river in south-central South America goes through Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina, and its name comes from a Tupi word that means like the sea. One of the biggest hydroelectric power plants in the world, named Itaipu Dam, is built along the border of this river. Name this 14th longest river in the world.
Yeah. Anyone know rivers in Argentina?
No.
Do not know.
So it's not the Amazon?
Definitely not.
Okay.
That's good.
Time.
No answer.
Right, the Parana, P-A-R-A-N-A, Parana River, not the fishy kind. That completes round 3. One, two, three. And there's 4. All right, we are rolling here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, round 4, a grab bag round, 7 questions on a variety of topics, 1 up for a right answer, 1 off for a wrong answer. Please introduce yourselves one last time and tell me who will be the captain in this round.
I'm Toby Ellis.
I'm Eric Swatchy.
I'm Leaf Colgren.
I continue to be Charlotte Moore, and I continue to be captain.
Check Rooney. Here we go then. Round 4, question number 1. Although it is not the highest mountain in Colorado, this mountain, located in Pike National Forest in Colorado, with an elevation of 14,115 feet, is one of its most famous. Name it.
Pikes Peak.
If it's Pike's Forest, that would make sense.
Yeah.
Go with it, Toby.
Great. Pikes Peak. Final answer.
That's paying attention. You got it. Question number 2. The largest active volcano on Earth is Mauna Loa. It is a shield volcano that forms at a hotspot in the Pacific Ocean. The rock type that is the primary composition at this volcano is called what?
Is that igneous?
That's igneous, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Igneous, final answer.
I'm sorry, it's basalt.
Sorry.
Question number 3. Who was the last English king to die on the battlefield? He was the last Plantagenet king of England and was killed at the Battle of Bosworth on August 22nd, 1485. Name him.
I'm not sure.
Probably one of the Edwards.
Go for it.
I want to say Edward the Sixth, maybe. Edward the Sixth, final answer.
No, I'm sorry, it's Richard III. I was hoping my horse, a kingdom for a horse, might have jumped into your head there because he's about to get killed. Question number 4. 1965 saw the creation of this famous advertising mascot who giggles when he gets poked in the stomach. Name him.
Elmo?
Yeah, I think maybe because it's like Tickle Me Elmo. Yeah.
Sure.
Does anyone have other ideas?
Nope. Elmo, final answer.
No, it's an advertising mascot. It's the Pillsbury Doughboy. Maybe before your time. Question number 5. This English author was born on July 31st, 1965, presumably to Muggle parents. Name her.
J.K. Rowling. Yeah. J.K. Rowling, final answer.
You got to hear that one word or you're in trouble, right? But you did. Correct. Question number 6. Fidelity, bravery, and integrity is what U.S. organization's motto? I'm certain current director Christopher Wray believes in them. Name the organization.
Christopher Wray, I think, is the director of the FBI.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, sure.
The FBI, final answer.
That is correct. Fidelity, bravery, integrity, FBI. Right.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, hey. When I wrote the question, I didn't realize that was true. Just now. Bing. Question number 7. This keystone state was apparently named due to its key position in the economic, social, and political development of the United States. Name it.
Oh, jeez. I'm sure I've heard this before, but
Is that Ohio?
never heard Ohio be called that. But
No, that's the Buckeye State. Pennsylvania.
Yes, you got it. Right under the buzzer. The Keystone State. You got it, and that completes round 4. Nicely done, Leaf. Well played. Come here, sunshine. Say hi to Kelly. Say hi to Kelly.
All right, guys. Camera's on, mic's on. You know who you are.
1, 2, 3, 4. Welcome, gentlemen, to the 5th week of the 40th year of the FCPS academic tournament. Welcome, Walkersville High School. Would you please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round?
My name is Alex Steitley.
My name is Andrew Stroka.
I'm Solomon Shen.
I'm Connor Bosco. I'm the captain of this round, and we would like to thank the almighty Wikipedia.
Okay, I try not to use that source, so I won't help you, but good background for sure, right? Okay, you are left with packet B. Packet B. Poor Walkersville, always left with the packet. Here we go. Question 1, round 1. Remember, 6 questions on variety topics, 1 up for a right answer, no points off for a wrong answer. Question 1. This famous baseball pitcher pitched the most complete 9-inning games of any pitcher in history. In fact, only 3 pitchers even started as many games as he had more complete games. Name this old-time pitcher for whom the annual award for best pitcher in each league was named. His first name was Cy.
Cy Young.
Cy Young? All right. Cy Young, final answer?
That's correct. Did Cy give that to you? Because I thought that would be really hard, and I thought, oh, I better put that last little bit in there. So, and Mr. Drum and Mr. Van Bloom would have been very unhappy if you got the baseball question wrong, so I'm glad you got that.
Good one, Stroka.
All right. Question number 2. Sodium chloride has a formula mass of 58.4 grams per mole. 58.4 grams per mole. How many grams of sodium chloride are needed to prepare 500 milliliters of a 1 molar solution?
500 milliliters of 1 molar.
Is it just half?
Yeah, I'm guessing it's just half, which would be
29. So 25.
29.2.
29.2. Okay.
Yeah.
29.2. Final answer.
That is correct. Well done. Question 3. The narrator of this famous Edgar Allan Poe story says, "The disease has sharpened my senses. Above all was the sense of hearing acute." Name the story.
No.
Edgar Allan Poe. No.
It's a story, so either Telltale Heart or Murder of the Rue Morgue, I guess.
Defer to Solomon on this one.
Okay, the Telltale Heart.
Yes, he hears the beating of the heart, and that's
Nice. Good one, Solomon.
Yeah,
Good
well
one.
done. Question number 4. Mitsubishi, Sony, and Toyota are all companies with roots in what country?
Japan.
Japan, right? Yeah.
Japan, yeah.
Japan, final answer.
That is correct. Question number 5. This English pop girl group formed in 1994 with nicknames Scary, Sporty, Baby, Ginger, and Posh. Name this group.
That's a great question. Spice Girls. Spice Girls, final answer.
Why do you say that's a great question, Connor?
As we go from like Edgar Allan Poe and then we're at the Spice
Oh, okay.
Girls.
Well, hey, it's a grab bag. It's a grab bag. You're getting all
The duality of academic team.
I'm not a Spice Girls fan myself, and I'm glad you knew that one. Question number 6. The Rome-Berlin axis was headed by Hitler and what Italian leader?
Mussolini. Yeah. Mussolini, final answer.
You love how I go from Spice Girls to Mussolini. It's a perfect fit. On one. Well done, gentlemen.
All right, good luck, guys.
One, two, three. Oh, there's 4. Okay. All right. Welcome. And this is round 2 of our first match in week 5. Math round. 4 questions. Reminder, in the 2 math questions, you get 30 seconds. Ms. Meisner will prompt you with 5 seconds to go. And remember, it's 1 up for a right answer and 1 off for a wrong answer or for no answer. So you've got that time limit to deal with. Would you please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round?
My name's Kush Patel.
I'm Ella Carr.
I'm Solomon Chen.
I'm Prutha Patel, and I'm the captain for this round. I would like to thank Dr. Ware for supporting our team.
Excellent, Dr. Ware. Very good. Okay, round 2, math round, and question 1 is a math question. Math. This question requires a 2-part answer. Solve the system of linear equations for x and y. 7x minus 2y equals 9, and 2y minus 4x equals -6. Begin time.
I got x equals 1, y equals -1.
X equals 1, y equals -1.
Yeah.
I think that's correct. Yeah.
Okay. X equals 1, y equals -1. Final answer.
That is correct. Question 2. Robert Fulton developed the first commercially successful one of these. It was originally named after the North River, but became known as the Clermont. It carried passengers between New York City and Albany. What did Fulton develop?
Steamboat, right?
Yeah, steamboat.
Okay, steamboat. Final answer.
That's correct. Question number 3, math. Find the zeros of the following polynomial. 12x squared plus x minus 1. Begin time.
Tell me what you get, Prue.
Yeah. I got 1/4 and -1/3.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay, 1/4 and -1/3. Final answer.
That is correct. Question number 4. This element, atomic number 25, has the chemical symbol Mn. Name it.
Manganese. Final.
Yeah.
Manganese. Okay. Manganese. Final answer.
That is correct. That completes round 2. Well done.
Nice.
One, two, three, 4. Okay. Round 3, pre-announced category round, Latin American geography. Would you please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round?
I'm Ruben Budimana. I'm Kush Patel.
I'm Vineet Rabichandran.
I'm Connor Bosco. I'll be the captain of this round, and we would like to thank, I would like to thank Carlos Santana for making up most of my playlists this week.
Wow, that's excellent. I saw Santana in concert with the Rolling Stones, if you can imagine such a thing. They opened for the Stones. Goodness.
Lucky you.
That was a while ago. Yeah, well, when you live in the 70s, when you're a college student in the 70s, you get to that. All right, round 3, Latin American geography, question number 1. And I'm going to do my best on the pronunciation. I did look some stuff up. You guys do the best you can. And remember, if you get it close, it's going to count. So, question 1. This Central American country hosts more than 5% of the world's biodiversity, even though its landmass only takes up 0.3%, or 0.03%, excuse me, of the planet's surface. The people of this country refer to themselves as Ticos and Ticas. The country is divided into 7 provinces, including Guanacaste and Cartago, and there are more than 121 volcanic formations, with 7 of them active. Arenal is one of the 10 most active volcanoes in the world. Name this country with a population of over 4 million.
Costa Rica.
Yep.
Yep. Costa Rica, final answer.
That's correct. Question number 2. This Caribbean city was officially incorporated in 1749, and in 1770, it replaced Cap Français as the capital of the French colony of Saint-Dominique. It is located, actually Saint-Domingue, I think. It is located on the natural harbor on the Gulf of Geneva, and it is its country's economic hub and export center. Name this capital city that suffered through a catastrophic earthquake in 2010 that destroyed most of the central historic district.
It should be Port-au-Prince.
Yeah.
It's the capital of Haiti.
Yeah.
So Port-au-Prince.
Yeah.
Final answer.
That is correct. And question number 3. While some geographers regard this as a gulf or marginal sea, most think of it as an estuary of the Parana and Uruguay rivers. It flows on the east coast of South America between Uruguay and Argentina. Montevideo and Buenos Aires are both located on this river. Name the river whose name means river of silver.
Rio de la Plata.
Yeah.
Rio de la Plata?
Yeah.
That's it, right?
Yes, Rio de la Plata.
Okay. Rio de la Plata, final answer.
That is correct, and that completes round 3. I'm glad that one team got the geography questions right. The rivers, we bombed. So, good job, guys.
Good work, guys.
One, two, three, 4. We are rolling. I'm ready for some sushi, so let's get this round done. Round 4, 7 questions on a variety of topics. One up for a right answer, one up for a wrong answer. Please introduce yourselves and tell me who will be the captain in this round.
I'm Connor Bosco.
I'm Ruben Putamana.
I'm Prutha Patel.
I'm Solomon Chen. I'll be the captain, and I'd like to thank Chick-fil-A for preserving Cal's way of life.
I'm not going to say a word about Chick-fil-A. Question number 1. This is the highest mountain in the Cascade Range of the Pacific Northwest and the tallest peak in the state of Washington with an elevation of 14,411 feet above sea level. Name it.
Like this Mount Whitney,
Rainier?
Is it Rainier? Rainier?
Rainier.
Okay.
Rainier?
It's
Okay.
not Helen's. Go Rainier.
Mount Rainier, final answer.
That's correct. Question 2. This greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere absorb infrared radiation coming from Earth to keep the planet warm enough for life. Of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which are the group that are entirely man-made?
Which are the group that are
Entirely man-made.
The group that are
Monoxide? Dioxide?
I don't
something
think
like
so.
that?
Should I guess something like synthetic? I don't really know.
I don't really know what the word here is.
Yeah. Okay.
Pollutants.
Synthetic. Final answer.
Worth a shot. Chlorinated fluorocarbons, or CFCs.
Oh, CFCs.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Question number 3. Who made the first phone call to the moon? He did so on July 20th, 1969, when he talked to the Apollo astronauts on the moon. Which politician made this otherworldly phone call?
Was it
Nixon.
Lyndon?
Reagan.
President. It's 1969, right?
Lyndon B. Johnson?
I think it.
No, it would. Wait.
I'm guessing.
Oh,
It
Nixon.
should be Nixon.
It
should be Nixon.
Nixon.
It's in the summer. It should be Nixon.
Yeah, Nixon.
Yeah. Okay. Nixon. Final answer.
That's correct. You would have kicked yourself if you got that one wrong. Question number 4. The 1965 Grammy Award recognizing accomplishments for 1964, the 1965 award for Best New Artist went to this most famous British invasion band. Name it.
The Beatles.
Right? Yeah. The Beatles. Final answer.
Imagine that. 1965 Best New Band. Yeesh, little did they know. Question number 5. Currer, Ellis, and Acton Bell were the adopted masculine first names of these 3 writing sisters. What was the last name of the poets and writers?
Bronte, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
I would go with it.
Yeah.
Bronte, final answer.
Yes, Currer, Charlotte, Ellis, Emily, and Anne Acton Bell, Bronte. Correct. Question number 6. What toy was originally called the Pluto Platter? In 1957, the Wham-O Toy Company created their first batch of aerodynamic plastic discs. what do we still call them today?
Frisbee.
Right? Yeah. Frisbee's final answer.
One of my favorite toys, absolutely. Question number 7. This land of enchantment is known for the Carlsbad Caverns. Name this U.S. state.
New Mexico.
New Mexico.
Yeah. New Mexico final answer.
That is correct, and that completes an excellent match, Walkersville. Well done.
Good work, guys.
That completes match 1.
Nice job, guys. Hang around. You get the final score.
All right, we'll call back the teams. Almost thought we had a perfect round there going.
Did they only miss the CFC one?
It was so close.
Only the CS.
That's Mr. Hism. That's his. He's a Walkersville chemistry teacher. So
Yeah.
as I'm reading those science questions, I'm like, is this a hard one or an easy one? I have no idea.
I was cheering for it. I was ready to tweet it out, but all right. Welcome back, everyone. And thank you for another successful evening.
Well done.
1 scores. In third place tonight was Catoctin with 5 points. Second place, Linganore with 8 points. And first place, Walkersville with 18 points.
That's a lot of points.
So thank you, and we will see you next week. Catoctin
Well done.
4-8, Walkersville 18. See you next week.
Good playing.
That's a great round, Walkersville.
Thank you.